Pada tahun 2024, ada sebuah channel YouTube yang bernama The Whole God Project. Di salah satu videonya, dia pernah melakukan eksperimen yaitu solo camping di tengah hutan belantara. Seperti biasa, sebelum malam hari tiba, dia pun mulai mencari tempat yang datar untuk menyiapkan tenda sambil menyalakan dupa. Ketika malam hari tiba, dia bercerita kalau dia mendengar rumor tentang hutan yang ditempati sekarang. Setiap malam hari di hutan itu, terdengar ada beberapa suara aneh dan juga kayak ada seseorang yang sedang mengintai dari jauh. Dan gak lama setelah dia mengatakan hal itu, tiba-tiba dia mendengar suara dari jauh. Perhatikan videonya baik-baik.
I kind of like how it's open out that way too. Lets a little bit of light into these woods. That way, cannot see a thing. And I don't think I was recording earlier, but something made a heavy sound over there. Could have just been some old rotted logs settling. I don't know if that was me or something over there. Definitely something over there.
Documenting my experience and why I'm leaving. It's basically, it was all set up, it was getting dark, I had just gathered all the firewood. I had run back to the vehicle to grab my Carhartt jacket. Right about that time, as I sit down, I hear some noise. And I thought, could my keys have hit the chair a certain way? And as I'm thinking about it, I'm about to go about my business, then I hear behind me where the creek is, about only 50 feet, I hear a couple more loud crunches. And that's when I stand up and I just shine the forest. Of course the noise has stopped, and I'm guessing whoever it was, it found a good spot to lay low. I didn't see any eyes blowing back, didn't see any movement, other than I did see a bat. But definitely that is not what made the loud noises. And all this, I probably shined the light on the forest for a good 3 to 4 solid minutes. Nothing. And I said, okay. And I'm thinking I'll go back to just doing what I'm doing. But this is the second occurrence. Probably about a half an hour before that, I heard it up the hill. This time it's down parallel with me. I scouted, not even kidding. It looks like somebody dressed up in camo. And they've got their back slightly angled away. I'd say like at a 45 degree. They're standing there about 6 feet tall, looking like a human that I just caught that was probably sneaking up. What's gonna happen? Call them out like, hey, what are you doing? And they're all camoed out. Maybe they'll just say, oh crap, he caught me, now I'm gonna shoot him. I mean, we're out in the middle of the woods. They say that people are the ones to fear. It's not the animals. That is what happened, and eventually after the 20 seconds, he didn't move, he just kept standing there. So I just pretended like, oh, maybe I didn't see you then. On my way out, periodically I'd turn back, check. Nope, didn't see him, he's gone. And that's that.
Seperti yang dia katakan, kalau di balik pohon tersebut kayak ada seseorang yang sedang ngumpet, dan dia juga melihat adanya wajah seseorang. Awalnya, gue merasa kayak nggak ada apa-apa, tapi setelah gue cari lebih detail lagi, ternyata bener apa yang si pria itu katakan. Coba perhatikan lagi videonya baik-baik. Selain pemandangannya yang begitu indah dan menawan, hutan atau pegunungan merupakan tempat bagi para makhluk yang tak kasat mata. yang ketika pagi hari memperlihatkan pemandangan yang begitu indah, namun sangat berbeda ketika sudah malam hari. Seperti yang kita tahu, pegunungan Appalachia merupakan gunung yang sempat viral akan kehororannya, yang mana pada video kali ini ada sebuah akun TikTok yang bernama Dustin Frazier. Dustin pernah mengupload satu video yang sangat mengerikan ketika dia lagi bertugas. Perhatikan videonya baik-baik.
Okay, so I'm just sitting here watching Scooby-Doo. You know, it has been storming on and off all night. You can see there is nothing standing over here, right? But look. What the fuck is that? Like, this is me. Like the satellite went out because of the storms. So it wasn't working on the TV anyways. And like, but there's nothing there. And like, I turned.
Entah dari mana muncullah sosok itu, dan lebih anehnya lagi, sosok itu hanya terlihat dari pantulan bayangan di TV. Semakin Dustin mengalihkan pemandangannya dari bayangan yang ada di TV, semakin dekat pula sosok tersebut mendekat ke posisinya Dustin. Di video kali ini, ada semua penampakan sosok yang entah dari mana munculnya. Jadi ceritanya, ada dua orang pemuda yang ingin menaiki sebuah lift, dan ketika lift sudah sampai ke tempat tujuan kedua pemuda tersebut, ini yang terjadi.
In the bottom right, for a second, a light appears.
Seperti yang kalian lihat, entah dari mana sosok nenek itu muncul, sungguh sangat tidak masuk akal. Ceritanya, ada seorang pria yang ingin membagikan sebuah pengalaman mengerikan saat dirinya lagi sendirian di rumah. Ceritanya, si pria ini lagi merekam isi rumahnya. Namun gak lama, dia seperti mendengar ada suara di ruangan lainnya. Dan saat si pria itu mengecek ruangan tersebut, ini yang terjadi.
In the US, a man appears to have heard something in his house. In the corner, what looks like the figure of a child. The man goes back for a second look.
Sungguh sangat mengerikan jika hal ini terjadi pada kita. Entah sosok apa yang meneror si pria tersebut. Tapi yang jelas, kalau itu bukanlah manusia.